Well guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. In this video, we're going to cover the MoneyPrinterTurbo, which is a very good project. So this is a YouTube short or video short automation framework. So if you see the About section, it is generate short videos with one click using VLLM. So you can see there's already 26K stars. So it's very popular. And if you look at the README, there's a lot of documentation, but it's very complicated. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it, how to install it, how to build this step by step on Kaggle.com, or you can use the same method on your local machine. So that being said, let's continue. So already built this project. So you can see this is actually running on Ngrok public URL, and this is for Turbo Printer v12.2. So if you see the basic settings, you have to use the LLM provider. In this case, we choose OpenAI as a provider. So, or it's actually OpenAI compatible, then we use the OpenRouter's OpenAI compatible endpoints. This case, we use the model as DeepSeekV3 v3.1. So this from OpenRouter, and as you can see from OpenRouter, this DeepSeekV3 03.4 is free. So then basically we also need to set up the Pixel API key and the Pixabay API key. You can choose either one of those. We set up both. So this for the video, image, and video materials. So basically this application actually fetches the images and also the videos from these two websites. So they need the API keys. So set up the API keys to do that. And so this is for the basic settings. Then you also have to come up with an idea. So in this case, we actually come up with this basic restaurant. So you can just add your idea in the video script settings. After that, you have to basically click the AI to generate video script. So this is actually AI generated script based on this idea. So you can see this is very nice. So you generate this video prompt from your idea without you even think about it. So this is basically using the LLM that we set up in here. So this is for, in this case, it would be DeepSeek. DeepSeek will help you to generate this idea. So, and after that, you can click the AI, use AI to generate the keywords. So this is for searching the images and videos on Pixel and Pixabay. So it's very, very convenient. So you can see this is the keywords from the prompts. So very cool. And after that, you also need to configure video settings. So first, the video sources from Pixels, and you see from the maximum duration of the video, we set at 5 seconds. It might generate more seconds, but we just set as 5 seconds. Then for audio settings, you also have to specify a speech synthesis voice. In this case, we just choose EN US, area female. There are a lot of voices you can choose from. So very, very nice. You can play the voice to test it out. And then the speech volume and speech rate, you can configure those as well. The background music is just random. And you can also select the subtitle font. In this case, we just choose Micro Yahoo Bold, and then that should be it. So super nice. And then you can click generate video. So this is how you use this MoneyPrinterTurbo to generate shorts, and very, very convenient. You can see the logs already tested. So then you can see start with generate video, and then you can see each step how this application works, and after that it will say video generation completed. So basically you have the video text, which is the content, right? Start from an idea, you have the content, you have the videos from Pixels and Pixabay, then you have the voice from the settings, right? So basically they merge everything together to generate a short just using one click. Super nice, super cool. So after everything is completed, you can see this is a video that's generated. Very, very nice video. Let's play it to see how good this is.
The kitchen hums with the clatter of pans and the sizzle of food hitting hot oil. Waiters weave through tightly packed tables, balancing trays laden with steaming dishes. Laughter and chatter fill the air as diners lean in to share stories over plates of perfectly seared steaks and vibrant salads. The scent of garlic and herbs mingles with the rich aroma of freshly baked bread. Every seat is taken, and the line at the door grows longer by the minute. Despite the chaos, the staff moves with practiced precision, turning out dish after dish without missing a beat. This is the heart of a busy restaurant, a symphony of flavors, movement, and energy.
So this is super good, right? And so we're going to show you how to build this step by step on Kaggle.com. Again, you can use the same method to build this on a local host or any PC or MacBook. So, but we're going to demo this on Kaggle because Kaggle is the most convenient and cleanest way to build this. So, first you need to create a notebook on Kaggle.com. Then first clone the repo. So in this case, it would be clone this MoneyPrinterTurbo and then go to this MoneyPrinterTurbo folder. After that, you have to configure this project. Just do a copy configuration example.toml to configure.toml. Then after that, you have to update this configuration. So first, you can update the video sources to pixels. Then you need the Pixel API keys and Pixel API keys. You can pick one of those or add both. And then you have to choose your LLM provider. In this case, we choose OpenAI because we're using the OpenAI compatible APIs from OpenRouter. So we just choose the provider as OpenAI. Then if you want to use Ollama, you can configure the Ollama base URL or the model name, but we're going to use OpenAI API. So it would be OpenAI API key, which is the OpenRouter API key. And also the base URL would be openrouter.ai/api/v1. Then model name is DeepSeek/DeepSeek chat v3 and 0324 free. Then you can configure other provider as well, but we're going to just use OpenRouter for the demo. And then you have to also configure the Redis host. So in this case, it would be default settings, localhost 6379. Then the DB is 0, and you do not need a password. You can set a password, but you do not need a password in this case. And that should be the configuration. So then also you have to install all the dependencies from the requirements file. And after that, make sure you install the Git image magic and FF and PNG. This for the images and video generation. And also, again, you have to install Redis. So follow the official redis.io documentation and install Redis, which you already demoed in here. And after you install Redis, make sure you check the Redis port or other ports are in place. So in this case, you need to install NetTools. So just check all the ports and process are running. So before you run the Redis, you won't be able to see all these ports, but in this case, we just show you this basically helps you to check all the ports and process that's running. So after everything is completed or all set up, then you can check the ports in here. So basically 6379, this is Redis. This would be the front end for the MoneyPrinterTurbo, and the 8080 should be the back end. So you can see everything is running because already spin that up. So then you have to install Redis client, and also make sure you install supervisor because we're gonna run everything under supervisor, so you do not have multiple processes running in the notebook. So first you have to install supervisor, and then make sure supervisor have a tag installed. So in this case, we install supervisor 4.2.1. Then we have to configure three things, right? Redis. First, to make sure Redis is set up. We just use Redis server to spin up Redis. After that, we also need to configure the backend API service for MoneyPrinterTurbo. Make sure you use the Python to spin up the backend. Python/Kaggle/working and MoneyPrinter/main.py. So this is the backend API. Then you have to set up the front end because a front end actually is using Stringlet. So make sure the Stringlet is in place. In this case, it's stored in user local bin Stringlet. And you can also check the configuration. In this case, it's actually spin up the front end under webui/main.py. So this is basically from the Docker py file. So if you go to MoneyPrinterTurbo GitHub repo, there is a Docker file. Just check it. So you can see here, basically, this file is webui main.py. So this is the front end. Also, you can check it in the web UI.sh. So this is the same thing. So we just know that the front end is actually this file. So after you spin up the front end, make sure you set the browser server address to 0000 and server enable cores equals to true, and also the gather user stats equals to false. So that should be it. Make sure you add all the logs to different services. This get would be webui error and webui.out to log the errors and output, similar to front end service. and backend service, and also the Redis server. So after everything is set up, make sure you check out the status of the different services. In this case, it would be Web UI, the backend service, and also Redis server. You can see everything is running. So everything should be completed. Then last step is to install Ngrok to expose the service to public URL that you see in here. So in this case would be for FD4. Then first install Ngrok, try to install pip install PyNgrok and Ngrok, and also create a function to run bat command within Python, and also add a Ngrok token in here. So this will actually set up the Ngrok token. So then connect Ngrok public URL to localhost 8501. So this is the front end for this new MoneyPrinterTurbo project. So we can see this public URL for FD4 is pointing to localhost 8501. So after that, you can click this link, which you can see in here. So this everything is running under this public URL, which is pointing to localhost 8501. So this is how you set up the MoneyPrinterTurbo step by step on Kaggle.com. Again, you can set everything up on the localhost, follow the same steps. It should be very similar. And that should be it. So hopefully this is helpful. And this is a very, very cool project if you want to create shorts just using an idea. You don't want to generate end prompts or script. So this is very, very convenient. So hopefully this is helpful. If you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment. If you have any questions, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.